Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name's Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad, and welcome to today's tip of the day. This is going to be a basic run through of what I think people in the industry should be doing. My tip for online businesses, they thrive when they adapt quickly to and prioritize customers' needs. Ultimately, that's what it is. You need to remain consistent in providing value, regularly visiting your strategy, on a regular basis, ensuring long-term growth. So what do you need to do to keep on top of things like that? You got to define a niche, of course, which you need to be specific markets, etc. You need to be identifying your target audience. You need to be building a strong brand. You need to be optimizing your website if you have one, or certainly your funnel pages, etc. Making sure you're checking your stats all the time. Invest in digital marketing. So choose platforms on social media where your target audience are going to hang out. Okay, if your target audience is on Facebook, it's no good you being on TikTok or YouTube, right? You've got to know who your target audience is and where they're going to be, where you're going to find these people. So if paid ads is something you want to look at, do it. Why not? Just try it. Okay, see what works for you. It's not for everybody, but it might be for you, depending on your product, your service, and your target audience. Focus on content creation. So offer value through blogs, videos, ebooks, PDFs, okay? Creating content on social media. Always offer value, guys. Engage with your audience more and more and more. And that's on the platform that you're using yourself. Build trust with customers and highlight testimonials, reviews, case studies, things like this, okay? Offer a clear, if you've got anything where there is a refund option for people, okay, then clearly market so. Generally, digital products are not refundable because they get access to instantly download a digital product, so they tend not to be refundable. But there are products and services out there that may well be. So if you are involved in that, make sure you highlight it, okay? Leverage your analytics, okay? Now, I couldn't get that out, but you know what I mean. Always be checking your analytics, because use things like Google Analytics, okay? Understand your audience's behavior and just track your KPIs. And there's many methods of doing that. Implementing automation, again, is another one that I've talked about many, many times. It's so important. That is probably the biggest thing you need to be doing, is automating your business. And please, please, please prioritize customer service, customer support. Now, I know for me, I've been in business nearly 20 years, right? Customer support is a big thing for me. I always go above and beyond. I think to have a sustainable business long term, you've got to almost offer more value after the sale than you do before it. I always offer value in my posts and my content creation, but for personally, on a one-to-one, as soon as my customers come on board, I'm always there. I give lifetime access to me. I give Zoom calls. I give them bonuses. I give them support, right? So it's all about, for me, giving that value, because people talk. It's a small world. And, of course, keep up to speed with industry trends. I mean, yes, it does help being involved in a course or a program or a community. So you're going to get these updates on a regular basis anyway. But if you're not involved in that, then you need to be making sure you're up to speed with trends and having alerts set up of industry awards, trends, what's going on, any news alerts, any updates in the industry you're involved with, so you make sure you can pass that on to your potential customers. And again, network, okay? Networking is a great way to actually build your audience, build that know, like, and trust factor wherever you're hanging out, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, doesn't matter. Engage in groups, okay? Network with people of a similar nature who want similar things to you, because everybody's in this circle. Everybody's got eyeballs on what's going on. If they want to get involved, they'll have eyeballs on you, right? So join online communities, be part of those groups, forums and things like that. LinkedIn's another good one as well. So just little tips, okay? But this is how you're going to keep consistent and keep growing in the industry. And of course, always ask for feedback. Always try and capture testimonials from your customers. If that's something you can do, then leverage that and use that in your business, because people love to see results of customers of yours. All right, so if you haven't got anything like that, again, being part of a community or a program, you can leverage the results of other people inside a community, say. So if you want any information about this, I'll leave a link below and you can go and grab my free guide, and you can reach out to me by email. And I hope that's helped for today. I'll see you again for tomorrow's tip of the day. Take care, guys.